How to make hard acid techno. First, let's set the tempo to 150 BPM and start with a heavy kick from a sample pack. Some 16-note closed hi-hats. Some offbeat open hi-hats. Some claps. And some rolling percussion. To make this percussion feel more techno-like, I'll distort them and cut off the lows. At the halfway point of the drop, let's add some crashes. And some rides. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample by Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Moving on to the bass, let's create a rumble bass by linking the kick to a mixer channel and adding reverb with 100% wet and a high cut around 150 Hz. Then let's sidechain the rumble to the kick using a limiter. Then I'll add a gritty bass on every 16 note. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows to stop this from clashing with the rumble. Now we need some good acid sounds to make a fast and repetitive melody. Let's layer some other acid sounds to make the sound wider. Then I'll add some stereo lighting, some distortion, a low cut, some saturation, and shape a box to sidechain. Then I'll add some synth fills using Wave Generator to fill out the drop a bit more. Then I'll use a distorted pad like this to add some tension to the track. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows. Now that the drop's down, let's start working on the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick and the pads, and I'll make the pads simpler. After 8 bars, let's add some open hi-hats, the percussion, the crash to transition into the build-up, and moving on to the build-up, let's add the acid and introduce it with a cutoff filter. Then some build-up drums. Then some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. I'll also completely change the acid at the second drop to a faster and more energetic one. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.